If you've been looking for a way to make your Nest just like an old school manual dial, this is the video for you. It's pretty simple. All we need to do is change a few things in the settings. You'll be done in less than 2 minutes. So walk over to your Nest, click on it, and then once you're in the main menu, scroll over to the settings icon. That's this little gear right here. Click in. First thing we need to do is turn off home/away assist. So go ahead and click on that. Then we're going to select stop using. We're good. The second thing is the Eco Heat Cool. We need to click into that and then change these both to off. So on the heat side of things, you can go all the way to the left until it's off. On the cool side of things, click on that, then scroll all the way to the right until it's off and click done. You're almost there. Then we're going to go to Nest Sense, which is going to be towards the right side of the menu. Click in, select Auto Schedule, and then turn this off. This is where it auto changes the temperature for you, which is the annoying part. So turn that off. Okay. And now what you can do is go back to your temperature and then you can set the cool. So let's say I want to set it to 66 degrees. I'm just going to select that. You can see that the timer started going. So it's going to start in 3 seconds and you'll hear my air conditioner turn on. I heard it kicking on outside. I don't know if you can hear it yet. There we go. It's on. It's that easy. Hopefully you guys can hear the air conditioner. It's been 1 minute and 40 seconds. If I want to go to 68 degrees, I can just click that and now it's going to go to 68. That's it. It's not going to go back and forth for you and say, I'm going to change the temperature at this time. It's just changing the temp. It still says in 20 minutes up top because that's how long it would take it to get to 68 degrees. So now you can see since it's getting colder in the house, it's going to say in 15 minutes. This time will shorten, but then it'll just hold at 68 degrees. There you go. That's how you change your Nest thermostat settings so it doesn't go all smart on you and it just works like an old school dial. Thanks for watching.